Hey there, and welcome to my Stack review. Today, I'm going to walk you through a powerful training that shows you exactly how to start, grow, and monetize your very own newsletter business using Substack. No email marketing experience, no tech overwhelm, and definitely no pricey tools required. Yes, you heard that right. Just follow the steps and let the platform plus proven strategies do the heavy lifting. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to build a loyal audience fast, this could be a total game changer. Stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades OTOS, so you'll know exactly what to expect before you hit that buy button. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years deep in affiliate marketing, testing tools and trainings that actually work and deliver results. So if you're into smart tools, proven strategies, and no BS reviews to grow your online income, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Plus, when you grab Stacked through my exclusive link below, you'll also get access to custom bonuses designed to help you fast-track results, grow faster, and earn more. Check the description for all the bonus details, but act fast because these bonuses won't stick around forever. So, what is Stacked? Stacked is a complete step-by-step video training that teaches you how to build a money-making newsletter using Substack, a powerful, beginner-friendly platform that lets you publish content, grow subscribers, and monetize with ease. It's built for digital creators, bloggers, affiliate marketers, coaches, anyone who wants to launch a digital newsletter business, use Substack as a traffic source, monetize with affiliate links, digital products, or subscriptions, build a personal brand or email list without needing tools like ConvertKit or MailChimp. You don't need email tech skills, and you definitely don't need a huge audience. Just follow the steps, and your Substack will be up and running in no time. Important: this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Stacked gives you the tools, training, and traffic strategies, but your effort equals your results. If you're ready to take action, this can absolutely change the game. Key things that impressed me: Substack setup training, everything from A to Z, even if you're a total beginner. Subscriber, growth tactics, smart ways to grow using Substack's built-in tools. Monetization methods, learn how to earn from posts, notes, and paid newsletters. Real-life success stories. See how creators are crushing it on Substack. How does it work? It's straightforward. Set up your free Substack account. Follow the training to write your first notes, posts, and emails. Use the tips to grow your followers and monetize with affiliate offers or your own digital products. The training even covers Substack's notes feature, like Twitter threads, which is super powerful.
Hey, something traffic. Exciting here I want to tell you about. I'm logged into my Substack account. This is a great place for engagement, getting followers, getting subscribers, and leading all of that to monetization. So how does this work? It's like any other social network. There is a feed. I'm looking at my feed right now. And the thing here is that people on here seem to engage better than other social networks I have seen. And people here like to write, but you do not have to be a writer per se. You just write short things. I mean, look at this. It's a sentence long. These are fine. People get engagement with these things. And there you go. You got video, you got audio, got all kinds of things on here. So let me show you me for a moment. I have not been too active on here yet, and I already have 108 subscribers. So what does this mean? It means I can monetize, all right? I can either turn some of them into paid subscribers. Right now they are free subscribers. Or I can send traffic from here off to my affiliate or vendor offers. And I do see other people on here doing exactly that, making really good money, and also because they get subscribers pretty quickly. I have not seen this on any other social media platform. You can come in here, and if you just stay steady, consistent every day, you're writing a little bit of this and that and interacting with people. I've seen accounts here get, in the hundreds and thousands of subscribers in months. And then, you can send traffic to where you are going to make some money. Also, the way this works is you have your core account and then you can make newsletters. So these are optional, but they're smart to make. For example, I made profitable publishing because that's my specialty. And I have 85 subscribers on that, which is different from my other subscribers. So I've got my personal subscribers to me, and I have newsletter subscribers that are growing all the time. And I've been making these posts. They're not hard to make. I teach you all about this inside the product. So let's go into Stacked, my product here. I've got everything you need to know, overview here, all about emails. Hey, what about this? Check this out. You can send emails from here without needing an email company. You don't need to pay for an autoresponder. You can email from here to your subscribers. It doesn't get any better than this, and it's very easy to do so. So I've got things in here about setting up a newsletter. Here I'm going to walk you through setting up an account in these videos and setting up your optional newsletter as well. Posts, which are longer form, but I'm not talking about huge. I mean, they could be, half a page long, whatever you want them to be. Notes, which is the happening thing on here. They're short, and the algorithm shows them to new people, and you get more subscribers and more followers, and this thing just snowballs, all right? And of course, monetization, how to make that money with the traffic coming off of here. I talk all about that. And I even have here some success stories about other people who have gone on here and quickly grown their subscribers base and quickly are getting to monetization. All right, so that's Stacked. I look forward to seeing you inside here in the members area. This is one of the most exciting things I've seen in a long time. After burnout on TikTok, Instagram, and other sites, this is like a breath of fresh air. And the people here seem more engaged and more willing to read what you have and go to your offers, and that all leads to us making some profit. Okay, thank you for watching. All the information is on this page. Look forward to seeing you inside.
Available upgrades, OTOs. After grabbing the main training, here's what you'll see. Upsell 1, $37. Get 500 done for you notes. The hottest content type on Substack, plus extra training on starting a podcast, using live features, the chat tool, and building your public blog. Massive time saver. Upsell 2, $67. This one's a goldmine. Learn how to create and sell your own digital product with the help of AI, set it up on Gumroad, and then use Substack to drive consistent traffic and sales. This is where the money really flows. You don't need to grab every upgrade, but depending on your goals, they can seriously boost your speed and results. What I love about Stacked, beginner-friendly and step-by-step you're building on a free platform, Substack. You own your list and content, no algorithm games. Great value compared to expensive email marketing tools. Includes monetization strategies. Most free trainings skip what could be better. It's not for people looking for 100% passive income with zero effort. You'll need to show up, follow the training, and apply it. But if you do, you'll love the results. Final verdict, is Stacked worth it? If you've ever wanted to build a profitable, audience-powered business without all the tech stress or monthly software fees, Stacked is a rock-solid place to start. You get expert training, real strategies, and even DIY content to move fast. Click the link below to grab it, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are only available through that link on Warrior Plus. Don't miss your chance to stack your Substack success. Thanks for watching my Stacked review. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more real reviews that deliver real results. See you in the next one.